Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this reverse osmosis countertop water filter by Bluevua. This is definitely the best water filter I've ever used. This thing filters out everything. It's kind of hard to see with the camera, but 364 particulates come in and 9 come out, which means this thing's really getting rid of any type of contaminant that you don't want in your water. And whenever you live in a municipal area, you're getting lots of contaminants that you don't want in your water. Some of the bad ones are like fluoride, chlorine. So this really makes sure that those all get filtered out. And as you can see here, these are the different filters. We got polypropylene sediment filter, then coconut carbon, then the reverse osmosis membrane, then the post carbon filter. I've had this for about 5 months now, and as you can see, only the first, second, and fourth filters, not the reverse osmosis, have lost 1 out of 4 battery life. So basically, this thing's still going strong, and the filters are on track to last me at least a year. And the thing I really like about this is how easy it is to fill up. It might seem tedious, but all you gotta do is lift this, empty it out, then fill it up there to the max line, put it back in, and then you press this button 2 times and it starts making water. And as you can see, that water is crystal clear. I highly recommend this. It's very much worth the price, and it fits on any countertop. I have this cardboard behind here to block the sunlight that goes into the tank so that nothing nasty grows in here. But other than that, I highly recommend this thing, and I think you should get one if you're trying to drink nice and clean water. Thanks for watching.